Hello. To create a webhook for channel mode, first we need to add our bot as an admin in that channel. We should send it a message. After that, we go back to the mini app, open it, and click on the Create New Webhook button. We set the webhook type to channel mode and select the appropriate option. We click on Select Channel and choose the channel. Then we hit the Create button. Just like the other modes, from here you can directly go to the Manage Webhook page and you have access to pause this webhook, start it, view its details, delete it, or if you need the URL, you can copy it.